This is my package. Pink, 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 pink. You guys know I love pink. Let me show you. I got some nice stuff for the fall, and everything was 50% off. So, Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and I'm so excited because I have a Fashion Nova haul. So let's just get into the video because I'm excited. My package just came. Let me show you. This is my package. So I got my handy dandy screwdriver. I'm definitely gonna do a try on for you guys. I'm not sure if it's gonna be in this video, but I was so excited to get my package, so I said let me get it now and tape this video so that you guys can share my excitement. I took this was from their Labor Day sale. I don't normally shop at Fashion Nova, but I think I bought some things like a year ago, I think it was, and they still send me emails. So I was like, you know what, let me take a look. I clicked on the email and then I just got lost in everything that they had. So let's get into it. So I got my screwdriver right here. I got some nice stuff for the fall, and everything was 50% off, so I got some deals. I'm so excited because I got some stuff that's pink. You know me and my pink. See the pink already here. Okay, so this is the first item. I have a lot of clothes already, but I have been, you know, redoing my wardrobe and just trying to see what I don't have and adding what I don't have. So I'm not buying things that I don't need. So the first up is these slacks. I needed a pair of this color, which is, I think it's khaki. I think it's taupe, and I got them in a size medium. I wasn't sure how they were running, but I was figuring if it's a black, I could get small. If it's medium, if it's like this color, I don't want it to fit me tight. So yeah, so this is it. So it's basically like some slacks. They could have ironed it though. It look all wrinkled. Fashion Nova, you gotta iron your stuff before you send them out to people. It comes with a belt, and it has elastic waistband. I wasn't sure if the material was stretchy, but now I'm seeing that it's stretchy. I probably didn't read. And this is a size medium. And yeah, I can already tell that it's gonna fit, maybe a little too big, but I got the same pair in black. Yeah, I got it in black, and this is a size small. Yeah, a size small. And yeah, it's the same pair of slacks, and it comes with a belt, elastic waist. Material is stretchy, so we're gonna see. I think it'll be fine. So that's what I got. So now I got some fall jacket coats. These are kind of like coats, but fall, and I got two. And I got the colors that I needed. I don't have a solid fall black jacket, so I decided I needed to get one, and I needed one that was a little more dressy, not too dressed down, but something a little bit, you know, dressy casual. So this is the Upper East Side jacket. I believe that's what they call it. Let me see. Yeah, Upper East Side coat. And I got it in a size medium. I wasn't sure, so I was like, you know what? Let me just get medium. So this is black, and it doesn't have any buttons. It has the collar there, and it has pockets. It has pockets. So I got it in black. It's lightweight too. It's not too light, but it's not too heavy. I think it'll be good for fall, early winter, and you can layer it up. So I'm excited to see how this is gonna fit and how I'm gonna wear it. So I also got the same one in this color. I don't have much of this color. Like last year I got a sweater, which I'm looking at over there, that is this color, but I don't have a jacket that's this color. So I really needed this in my wardrobe. I also need a tote like this and like a handbag, and I also need some boots. So yeah, this is a color that I don't have too much of, but it's a neutral color. It's a neutral color, so I'm figuring it'll go with so many things. And again, it's like a dressy casual. I feel like it'll elevate some of my looks. You know what? I'm lying. I do have another coat like this that I bought last year that I didn't get to wear from Missguided. If you haven't seen my Missguided haul, check it out. I'll link it in the description, or I'll link it in the videos, like in the cards. Yeah, I do, but that coat is longer and it looks more formal. So I was like, I needed a shorter one that looks more casual, because I'm gonna dress this down with like jeans, boots, sneakers, and then if I want to elevate it as well, I can. And this is like a 3/4. The other one was like more long. So yeah, I really needed this. Okay, so last but not least, I had to save the best for last. Pink. You guys know I love pink. Let me show you. Oh, look at this. Now guys, you know, if you've watched some of my other hauls and unboxings, I have a lot of pink in my wardrobe, and I have pink fur coats, but I don't have this shade of pink. Like, this is lighter than any of the other ones I have. Like the ones I have a blush pink. I have a purple that is kind of in between purple and pinkish. And I don't have anything that's like this bright pink. So when I saw this, I was just like, I know that this is me. It is perfect. So it has the collar here. It has 2 buttons right here and pockets. And it's pretty long. This one is a small medium, and yeah, small medium. And I love it already. I cannot wait to wear it. I'm gonna be looking like the Pink Panther. It is so cute. So next up is, I had to get some boots to match. I don't have any pink boots that I can think of. Sometimes I do and I forget. But I decided to get a pair of these. Now these are actually prettier than I thought. I love this shade of pink. I know the heel is high. The heel is high, so we won't be doing too much walking in these. They didn't look so high in the picture, but I'll be using it for my style hauls and my videos on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma For You Style, where I do reels, photo shoots, and stuff like that. These are some high boots. The heels are high and this goes up high. So I'm interested to see how this is gonna look. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I thought it would be a good addition to my wardrobe, and I thought that it would look really nice for this pink. It's gonna give like a really dramatic look. You guys know I'm all about the drama when it comes to fashion. So yeah, so if I have not put this as a try on, I will be doing a try on. Like, I'll try to post it the same week so that you guys can see how these outfits look on me. So that's the end of my haul. That's all I got. So thank you guys for watching. Check out my haul videos. I recently did a back to school haul from Zara. I have some more hauls coming back. I have some more fall fashion videos for you guys, because I know a lot of you have questions on like what to wear in terms of coats, jackets, boots, so I'm stepping it up, and I have more fashion videos coming for you. And if you have any requests of fashion videos that you would like me to do, just put it in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out with a video. So thank you guys so much for watching. All my info is in the description. Thank you so much.